From smart cities to smart homes, the country is moving towards automation. On Bright Sparks tonight, we feature Okta that promises to make your existing home appliances smart by providing plug-and-play solutions with simple setup kits. Here are tips for you, the MSME entrepreneur, about new age businesses and how you can use technology more in your business. Listen.
Unlock your door, switch off those lights, turn on your AC. All from your mobile app. Yes, you heard it right. Meet the magic of IoT in Okta. This Gurgaon-based startup, Okta, offers internet-enabled plug-and-play home automation solutions that simplifies consumers' lives without restricting the appliances to any one particular brand. This user-friendly app smartens the existing appliances including water motor, air conditioners, geysers, rice cooker, coffee machine, printer, fans, refrigerators and many more such devices.
What are the various kits you offer under the Okta brand?
At Okta, we offer Smart Plug. Smart Plug is basically an outlet. Whatever, it can be go into standard wall outlets, and whatever you plug over it, any plugged-in devices like a geyser, AC, motor, lamp, etc., whatever you plug over it can be controlled using the mobile app. The second product is a Smart Lock. You can basically unlock your door using the mobile app.
When it comes to home automation, don't you think these kind of products are way too new for the Indian market? Do you want to take the first mover advantage in that case?
It is a bit early, I agree. I don't think there is anything like a first mover's advantage. You have to execute well. And more than the first mover advantage, we feel that if we are passionate about this idea and we really feel that it will bring out substantial benefit to the consumers, that's why we are pursuing it. It might take more time than an idea which has already been done or which time has come. But I think the startups anyway bet on an idea which they believe that will be the idea for the future.
Internet is one of the most important words when it comes to your products. Don't you think, keeping in mind the kind of bandwidth or network issues that we are facing currently, it's very difficult to penetrate the markets in India?
Bandwidth and internet is, I feel, much better condition in terms of infrastructure as compared to other hard infrastructure like roads, electricity, power connectivity, landline. So internet is penetrating fast. There is no doubt about it. And the good thing about our product is, Okta product is that we don't need high quality bandwidth and a really high speed connectivity. Even with small speeds and with the intermittent network, even unreliable network, our system really works well. We have also designed the system in a way that even if the connectivity is a problem and it's not an ideal scenario, it's not a Sweden or a Western country based system, but still our system will work even if the internet connectivity is not so good. But I think even slow internet connectivity and the internet connectivity penetration is definitely increasing at a very fast pace in India.
Right. So majority of Indian consumers are still on feature phones and your products ideally need a smartphone for operations. So don't you think this is like a challenge or this is like a bit of a restriction when it comes to reaching your consumers?
One of the advantages of doing business in India is a huge consumer base. And there are majority is feature phone users, but there is a high majority of smartphone users as well. So I don't think that is a challenge. By the time we cover all our smartphone users as our customer base, the feature phone market will also have evolved to the smartphone or some new technology as it evolves. So I don't see as an India specific challenge. I see this is an advantage in India that we have such a large consumer base for all kind of let's say economy sector and all kind of using all kind of phones, which we can tap into that market to start with.
Now let's talk about GST. What do you think is the effect of GST on your business or your company, which is Okta?
It's going to be huge for hardware startups, for manufacturing setups. GST is going to be a big boon. We are eagerly waiting for it. There are various challenges in the current system, and to be honest, we sometimes feel that we should probably hold our operations till the GST comes up and then really go all out. So, for example, our products are like new kind of products, and different experts of VAT and CST have different opinion on which category our product lie on. And it is so confusing on what is the right tax structure, what is the right registrations that we have to do to the, when it gets seamlessly executed and all the structures are same when the GST comes in, that will definitely be a much less confusing and much less, like right now we are always a bit confused on whether we are going the right path or not.
Okta Smart Kit consists of a hub, a smart plug, plugged-in sensors and a mobile app. Within just a year of its inception, Okta has been successful in simplifying over 100 homes and smartened more than 300 home appliances in India.